Good morning, friends. This is Sriharsha from Crazy Money with Sri, and today is 3rd of December. And let's see what's happening in the market. What happened yesterday? What is going to happen today? What was USA market's reaction? What is European market reaction? And how it can actually affect Indian markets. So let's understand everything in detail and so if you are still not being a part of my YouTube channel, like this video, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so that you will get all the latest notifications. So let's get started, guys. Let's dive in what happened yesterday. So as I told you, markets are trying to correct, but it is not actually giving any deeper corrections, all shallow corrections. Intraday you see a sell off which could happen some 100 points down, and again it reverses. It is happening every time, and every time the closing has been quite positive. There hardly any reversals actually keep happening, and again they are breaking those things. So now uh, uh, we have been taking resistance around 13,130 range, 30 to 50 range. That is the place where we have taken resistance 2 or 3 times, and again market is yesterday we closed almost at the we closed much more positive. If you see the closing wise, it has moved much better. So overall what we can see is what happened on Friday. We were expecting it to be a selling, but looking at the way market has closed for the last 2 days, continuously for the last 2 days it has closed positively, and it has closed above the Friday's high. So which suggests that this has been more of a buy and bulls are completely in control. And now the range is there. Right now we have been trading in a range, lower range. If you see, uh, it is 12,800 is the lower part of the range, and higher part of the range right now is around 13,150. So we have been trading in this range for around 350 points range, which has been moving. And now once we shift this, once we actually break this out, probably we will move another 200 to 300 points on the upside. So see, overall index looks more on sideways kind of a way. Probably we can look at a range of, we moved from 12,800 to 13,000, now from 13,000 to probably 13,200. We may keep moving in this range as we can see. And if we are continuously moving in a range like this, very likely that this range is going to uh, uh, help us to get more buying opportunities. Only the selling is not really working even right now. So instead of shorting, whenever there is a dip which we get, we should rather look for an opportunity for buying. That is only helping, and that is only is going to help us to take the markets to altogether new highs. So that will be my advice, because we have been in a overbought situation. And so these kind of sharp uh, corrections may happen, like what happened yesterday. Also you saw 100 points correction happened, where we felt as though actually selling is going to start, and from there again actually buying only came. So this kind of things may continue to happen. Today is an expiry also, and looking at the way it is, I am looking at the market trading between 13,100 to 13,200. That will be the overall range which I can see. And only um, probably we may still be in a range. I don't expect any big movements until unless we get into some kind of a short covering, which is quite possible, because 13,150 is a place where we have seen sell off coming at least 2 3 times. So there is a lot of shorts at these higher levels. And once we start moving above 13,200, probably the movement, the kind of spike which we may get could be pretty high. So that short covering, either will it come today or tomorrow, is something which we have to see. But overall, looks quite positive. Even on the bank nifty side, until we cross this 30,000 barrier, market may still be in a range. Market has been continuously consolidating between 29,000 to around 28,500 to 29,500. This 1,000 points range we have been there for a quite long time. Once we are able to break this barrier and move and close above 30,000, probably this will give again a bigger movement on the upside. So overall, we have been in the range. The range looks like moving on the higher side, and so that whatever we saw a negative divergence is getting converted to positive reverse divergence, which is much more powerful, much more stronger, which only suggests that market may continuously keep moving still more further higher, and the deeper corrections whatever we are expecting may not really happen, and markets are going to completely keep moving higher and higher from here. So it's better for you to be on the long side, have a portfolio, and keep building onto that. That will be the key point, because you have seen so many of these stocks have moved up quite a lot, and this is going to continue to go further higher. Right now, IT stocks have been consolidating, and they have been moving in a tight range. Yesterday, there have been news saying the Biden government is relaxing all these visa norms and all whatever uh, uh, the Trump administration had actually uh, created a challenge. So that could be good for IT companies, and we saw already a spike happening in the IT companies in the last 1 or 2 sessions, and now if that they break the all-time highs, then probably again there could be a much bigger rally which could happen again in the IT companies. So pharma is also consolidating. Pharma also can see pharma and IT have been moving the markets all this while. Now they have actually taken a little back seat, and banks where they're moving now, they have also taken a little back seat, but overall the market is still strong. Now all of them actually start again performing, the markets can actually move much higher, much faster. So the market breadth has been pretty strong, and a lot of mid cap, small cap companies are getting a lot of traction, and a lot of actually movements are happening on the higher end. So it's better to be on the long side. Stock specific opportunities are absolutely coming, and that is going to be driving the markets to altogether new highs. So guys, if you have still not been a part of my YouTube channel, go ahead and like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon. And if you're not a part of my Telegram channel, search for Crazy Money Mystery, go ahead and join, and you will get all the latest updates, and you will be able to trade much better. So guys, if please actually do share this to all your friends, and let everybody gets benefited with this. Thank you very much. Have a great and profitable day.